What's going on, guys? So this is kind of weird because this is like after the fact. I don't know, for some reason oh hey Haley, what's up? But anyway, so for some reason the video that I filmed, like my intro, like originally for my video, somehow it didn't work, or it didn't film. I don't know, it just won't show up. So what's up, guys? I don't really remember what I said, but basically it's along the lines of I'm trying to fix my car. I'm trying to put everything back together, wire up the injectors, and put the hoses on. Obviously that didn't work. I'm just gonna tell you guys in advance because I know it didn't work because this is after the fact. Are you making fun of me? But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is so weird filming this, like, I'm filming this after because like the video got messed up. For some reason it won't play on my computer when I'm trying to edit it. Yeah, it won't work. So I'm filming this for an intro. So basically I think what oh yeah. Oh, by the way, guys, I don't know if you guys know, I have two bearded dragons.
She's gonna shut her mouth.
She's so cute. And I got the big boy down here. Sheesh. What do you think about them?
They're cute.
They're cute. But yeah, guys, so
bigger smile.
Bigger smile. Bigger smile when I left. That means she's happy, I think. But yeah, guys, so I'm pretty much just gonna give you a little rundown of what happened in the video. Still watch it, but it's just a little weird seeing how I'm filming this after I already filmed the whole video and went through all this. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna let you watch this before I tell you everything, but just something that I actually don't think I included in the video. My car is smoking like crazy from the exhaust, and I truly have no idea why. So that's gonna be tomorrow's, like, I guess, thing to figure out. I literally have no idea why it would happen after doing the valve cover gasket and injectors. I don't know. Maybe the PCV valves being the wrong way or being the wrong ones. I'm not sure if that would actually cause that or not, but without further ado, let's get into the video.
This is my moment, and I choose to believe in myself and know I can.
Alright, guys, so I got that one on, but I really don't think that was the right hose. I think it'll still work. It has like I don't know. I don't know. It just didn't seem right. But definitely probably should have done this with the plenum off, but I do not feel like taking it off again. So I didn't want to do it. So I made myself force it on there. I'm pretty tired, I'm not gonna lie, because that, I don't know, it was a pain. It might not look like it was that bad, but it was annoying. But now to this side.
This is my moment, and I choose to believe in myself and know.
That one was definitely a lot easier, but I still don't think I was perfect or the right one. But whatever, I just want to get this thing running. So now I'm going to throw the clips on, which I probably should have put that on before, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah, so we're gonna put the clips on.
I can't let you stop me from transforming myself. Trust me, we go hard in the paint. And trust me, we don't care what you think. Trust me, we go hard in the paint. And trust me, we don't care what you think. Care what you think, care what you think, care what you think. We go hard in the paint, care what you think, care what you think, care what you think. We go hard in the paint. We don't care.
Alright guys, so I got all that done. Now it's time to wire up these injectors. I'm pretty sure that it doesn't matter which wire goes to which, or at least that's what Z1 said, so I'm gonna trust the pros. So basically what I'm gonna do is just wire them up and then heat gun the little shrink wrap around it. And yeah, and then tighten all the bolts on the plenum. Recheck everything to make sure I didn't forget something else, and then start it up.
We go hard in the paint. No, they won't hold us down any longer. You're stronger, we're stronger, stronger, and we're ready to conquer. Trust me, you go hard in the paint. And trust me, never say that you can't. And trust me, you go hard in the paint. And trust me, never say that you can't.
Alright guys, so I got everything wired up, I think, bolted up. Everything should be good. So I think it's time to see if this thing will start. Hopefully it does. I really hope so. Start her up. The fuel pump prime. Let this pod go into the right mode. Like shit. That's not good. Maybe this idle. I don't know. Does not sound good. A lot of smoke. Uh-oh. Alright guys, so I had a couple things I missed. I missed one of the intercooler pipes. It was still loose. And then I think the idle air control valve wire. It was smoking before, but I really don't see it smoking now, so I'm thinking it was just residual from when I changed it. So yeah, I'm probably gonna take it for a ride, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna film anything just because like you're not really supposed to be driving, so I'm probably just gonna take it around the neighborhood and see how it does. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please go hit that subscribe button down below, hit the like button. Cops and Chills merch. Well, this one's not available yet, which I'm pretty sure I'm gonna drop these on May 1st, my 21st birthday, just because they'd be pretty cool or whatever. But so be on the lookout for these, and yeah, I will see you guys next time. Peace. Okay guys, so I did take it for a ride, and like I said in the beginning of this video, because this was filmed pretty much at the same time, I just rewatched everything to make sure I could finish this off the right way. So I wasn't sure exactly what I filmed and what I didn't film. But basically, right after that, I went and took it for a drive, and basically it just smoked the whole entire time out the exhaust. So I truly have no idea what the problem is. If anyone does know why that would happen after everything I just did, let me know in the comments, because I'm super curious. Well, obviously I need to fix it, that's why I'm curious. I mean, I spent all this money to fix it. I want it to be fixed, obviously. And now I'm kind of just like super bummed because like I just did all that work, spent all that money, and now it's still not working right. I mean, it runs good and it drives nice, but smoking like crazy out the exhaust. So if anyone has any idea what it is, please comment that down below so you can help me fix this car. And I will see you guys in probably tomorrow or the next day, because I obviously want to fix this car. So peace out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button. I really appreciate it. And until next time, peace.